Hello students, let us explore the concept of application of calculus in commerce and economics. When your company is manufacturing a product, there are two things which are important. One is the cost involved and second is the revenue generated. When I talk about cost, if X is the number of units which your company is making, there are two cost factors. First is your fixed cost. What is this fixed cost? Fixed cost is the cost when no production was done. That can be in the form of your rent, your fixed salary. So, cost is your fixed cost plus variable cost. Variable cost is the cost depending upon how much material was used in the production. Now, if you want to find fixed cost, so cost when 0 units are produced will give me the fixed cost. Average cost is the cost per unit. So that time you divide your total cost function by the number of units. So average cost is average fixed cost plus average variable cost. If I want to know the more production we do, how is the cost changing? So the approximate change in cost is your marginal cost. Whenever I use the word marginal, I am going to take derivative of the cost function. If I want marginal average cost, what is the approximate change in average cost? That is your derivative of average cost, which can also be written as 1 upon x marginal cost minus average cost. If I write average cost as cost upon x, that gives me the second formula. Now, what about the money that your company has generated? If X is the demand of product in market, which depends upon the price, which is denoted as P, so the money generated revenue is the price of the product into the number of units sold. So average revenue, money generated, is revenue upon X, which is the price itself. Marginal revenue is the rate of change in revenue, that is your approximate change in revenue. Now, when I talk about profit, is the money earned minus the total cost. So revenue minus cost. And the last part, if I want to know that after the spending is done, at what units will you reach a break even point? That means your cost is covered. That is exactly when your revenue minus cost is 0. This covers up the basic for this chapter. We will look ahead with the graph on this later.